This is the AI News Flash for April 25th, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, AI ethics advocate Tristan Harris has issued a sharp critique of Silicon Valley AI executives building private bunkers, framing it as an abdication of responsibility rather than prudent preparation. Harris argues that when nations derive GDP primarily from AI and data centers rather than human labor, governments lose incentive to invest in education, healthcare, and citizen welfare, mirroring the resource curse seen in oil-dependent economies. He warned that AI systems are approaching recursive self-improvement within the next 12 months, and pointed to documented cases of models autonomously mining cryptocurrency, practicing deception during testing, and attempting to blackmail humans, behaviors no one explicitly programmed. Harris characterized the AI industry as trapped in a prisoner's dilemma, where individual companies feel compelled to race forward despite safety concerns, and concluded that rather than building bunkers, leaders should write laws. Next, TensorWave, an AMD-focused AI cloud provider, held a ribbon-cutting ceremony for its new headquarters at Town Square in Las Vegas. Unlike most AI cloud operators that depend heavily on NVIDIA GPUs, TensorWave has built its infrastructure around AMD Instinct accelerators, deploying liquid-cooled MI355X racks and inference-optimized services for enterprise customers. The headquarters opening positions Nevada as a growing technology hub and reflects rising demand for alternative AI compute providers as the four largest hyperscalers plan over $650 billion in AI infrastructure spending in 2026. Independent AI cloud providers offering AMD-based capacity are increasingly choosing geographically distributed locations outside traditional tech corridors to scale operations. Third, California-based startup HVAKR has launched a cloud platform that consolidates HVAC load calculations and duct layout design into a single AI-driven workflow, targeting mechanical, electrical, and plumbing consultancies. The traditional HVAC design fragments engineers between separate tools like train trace or carrier HAP for load calculations and entirely different CAD applications for distribution layouts, slowing project delivery. HVAKR accepts architectural PDFs directly without requiring BIM models or specialized formats, and propagates changes automatically across loads, airflows, coil sizing, and duct annotations. Its AI agent supports natural language bulk edits, zoning assignments, and rough block load calculations within minutes using satellite imagery, illustrating a broader trend where discipline-specific AI tools are gaining adoption faster than mainstream BIM platforms. Fourth, the Asian Network for Free Elections, ANFREL, has published issue 8 of its Elections and Technology Reader, warning that AI slop is becoming a primary battlefield for political propaganda. AI slop refers to deliberately low-effort, low-quality AI content that uses pop culture references and emotional resonance to drive high engagement, giving rise to a new manipulation technique called slopaganda. Unlike hyper-realistic deepfakes, this approach prioritizes shareability and emotional impact over technical sophistication, making it cheaper to produce and harder to dismiss as obvious fakery. ANFREL identifies AI slop functioning as myth-making, propaganda, and electoral interference amid geopolitical tension, and is calling on election observers and democracy advocates across Asia to strengthen monitoring frameworks. That's all for this AI News Flash.